Welcome back as we get the opportunity to delve into the value proposition and ROI of electric vehicles. Not only do they have a financial return on investment, they're a heck of a lot of fun, they're statistically far safer to drive, and provide a wonderful domestic economic story. The first thing people think about when they think about EVs probably is not return on investment. However, when you take the average driving that an American does, couple that with the cost of gas versus the cost of electricity, you quickly see how much operational and household savings there is just by switching to an electric vehicle. On top of that, you have a lower center of gravity with oftentimes more weight, so you have a safer ride for the passengers. In addition to these benefits, EV drivers arrive at their destinations more relaxed because their conference calls or their discussions or their music is at a lower, more peaceful volume because there's no background noise. Those households that live maybe in colder climates, instead of idling their car for 4, 5, 10 minutes and bringing their children out and having them breathe exhaust and bad air, now immediately come in, heat's ready to go, and off you go. Your average electric vehicle has as many as 90% fewer moving parts than an internal combustion engine. So you can infer as to the mechanical or maintenance requirement reduction that includes. There's no stopping for gas, there's no stopping for oil changes. There is very little ongoing maintenance and operations for these vehicles, making it a joy to drive as well as a joy on your pocketbook. Not only is the EV good for a household, the natural thought is then to scale it for a municipality or a business where there's real impact on the bottom line and return to investors or return to the employees using those electric vehicles. Finally, and maybe most excitedly, it can directly contribute to more peaceful international relationships by simply using what you're generating within your own country versus having to import and export these scarce or sometimes conflict resources. These are some big picture reasons why EVs are fun as well as a great idea to transition to. Don't just believe us, let's look at the numbers and see firsthand what that looks like for a household's experience on an annual basis. Having covered the ROI of a solar energy system in our previous video and now going through the ROI of an electric vehicle, it only makes sense that these two technologies, when combined, create the new virtuous cycle. And that cycle keeps money in households, keeps money in businesses, keeps money in the community, and directly contributes to more peaceful national and international relationships. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you can see our passion for EVs and the benefits they can offer to households, communities, and the domestic economy, and we look forward to seeing you next time.